demonstrate to you the separation of concern in React application SOC. So this is the SOC file which demonstrates just that. Wow, this wait, don't save. Okay, let's get started. Here we have this React application showing these four cards, profile cards for the Joe, it's Doe family and the Smith family, and here's the React application doing just that. We have the get user function which gets our user cards from the backend, which is this. It's made in so this it's Node.js server. It returns the users using this route. Okay, so we are referencing the route and just getting the users, and then using this UC fact to set the users, right? Then we generate the user cards using this function. The users are generated. Then we have this. Where's my cards? Where are my cards? Okay, it's that. Yeah, we have this card, right? So that's the bad way of writing it. We have the data logic, which is this. This is the data logic. Then it's been mingled with the component itself. So the dependency between this data logic and the component logic is just direct, right? It's just direct, and that's not what we want, right? So let's see how to write this code. So let me do a git switch. Okay, so this is the correct way of writing this code. We have the components folder and the hooks folder. Then we have our user card, which takes in the user prop and generates the card for us. We have the users, which is a custom hook getting the users, fetching the users for us, and setting the users, returning the user as well. So we just reference the custom hook. We just reference the component. Then we have our upbringing. So if you look at this code and compare it with the one we had previously, you'd realize that this one is breathing, like the code is alive, the code is breathing. It's clean, it's easy to debug. If there's some changes I want to make, I'll just go to the specific file I want to make changes in. Like I can change the UI, I can change the data part of it. So it's just easy, it's just clean. I think it's also professional, like it's very professional. So yeah, that's it guys, that's it. So if you find something missing, or if there's something that you would want to correct, just let me know and I'll learn from you. So that's what development is about, constant learning. We build, learn. Yeah, that's it. So have a great day guys, have a great Friday. I think I'll just do something over the weekend, then yeah, that's it. Bye. Party safely guys. Ba-da-ba-bum.
Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe. See you in our next video.